What if humans had the ability to travel to the nearest planet economically and fast? Imagine if we had the capability to make definitive contact with those in the heavens. One thing is for sure, such capabilities have existed since the ancient times. An era of the gods descending to Earth, from the star Sirius, as the ancient Egyptians and Sumerians claim. Conventional physicists have made a breakthrough study, in which light has been successfully utilized to levitate material matter. This has led to the proposal of this levitation technique, being used to levitate and propel spaceship-sized objects for cosmic travel. The craft will be able to travel to other star systems, at speeds far in excess of those currently in space exploration missions. This makes use of laser light sources that are millions of miles away. This project is currently being undertaken by physicists at Caltech. The theory behind the proposal suggests that a beam of light propels the object, by means of an etched object surface coated with nanoscale patterns. For decades, researchers have been using so-called optical tweezers to move and manipulate microscopic objects, using a focused laser beam. Nanoparticles can be suspended mid-air due to the light scattering and gradient forces, resulting from the interaction of the particle with the light. For this to work, certain nanoscale patterns need to be etched on an object's surface. When the concentrated laser beam hits this patterned surface, the object should begin to self-stabilize by generating torque to keep it in the light beam. This would work for any kind of object, from a grain of rice to a spaceship in size. The light source could also be millions of miles away, which would make this technology ideal to power a light sail for space exploration. We have come up with a method that could levitate macroscopic objects. There is an audaciously interesting application to use this technique as a means for propulsion of a new generation of spacecraft. Such technology raises the question of whether or not we will see our governments allow the development of such crafts in our lifetime, or will there be a continued secrecy and exclusivity to space exploration? But if we do, what will we find? Pyramids on the moon, cities on Mars, or even landing strips on our closest neighbor? One thing is for sure, the ancients always pointed at the skies in describing their gods.